Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some in-ear monitors from, is it BASN? I'll figure it out. These are the Metalen with 2 dynamic drivers and 2 balance armature drivers. And I got these in the gray color. I'm going to turn these over on the back of the sleeve. Now these have the MMCX connectors, which are pretty hard to take out of disconnect from the buds. These also have 2 10mm dynamic drivers, and they have 2 balance armature drivers. Now what I've learned from balance armature drivers is that they're used in hearing aids, so they're really small. They're like really tiny. And a lot of in-ear monitor companies, they like to use either 1 or 2 that kind of help out with certain sound frequencies. And these also have silver plated OFC cable. You can let me zoom in on that. Let me zoom in on that so y'all can see that there. Much better. You can read all that. He's also made out of a titanium shell. Let me turn it up on the side here. Let me focus in on that. There. You can read the driver type, read all that technical audiophile jargon. All right. Now, we'll zoom out. And I'm gonna open this bad boy up. You take this sleeve off. There's BASN logo on top. He's got a metal magnet on the side. You open it up like this. Oh man, that's a briefcase? What is? Ooh, that's nice. That's a briefcase, bro. Let me open this up. See what's inside here. This is the hard shell case. Oh man. Ooh-wee, goodies. Okay. We got some silicone tips. I can see the foam. I can tell that's foam. Ooh, let me open this up. Ooh, goodies. Okay, come on up out of here. Man, there's a bunch of them. Man, he's got more. He might have more foam tips than them periodic audio. Come on up out of here. Let me show these people what's all in here. Okay, we got some. All right, we got the large. Then we got some dot style. Got some little tiny small silicone. That's foam. Okay, we got some more foam in here. Like small, medium, and large. Come up out of here. It's stuck to the plastic of the bag. There, got it. Okay. Wow, that's small, medium, and large. Wait a minute, I lost one. Oh, here it is. Fell on the floor. Yeah, there's small, medium, and large foam. Got large silicone, small silicone. What else we got? Ooh, man, that's a pretty big jack. Let's see, what's this? Ah, it's a little brush. Yeah, you use this to clean out the little things on them when they get all gunked up. Oh man, look at that cable. Hoo-wee! Dang, this look nice. Okay, I like these. This cable is legit. Oh, it's got the L. Oh, it's got the L shape. Oh, this is a long sucker too. Look at that. That's nice. Okay, and put that to the side. You get 2? Man. Who would have thunk it? Okay, this also has, okay, he's got an inline mic on him. These come in black. And this has also got an L-shaped plug. Oh, come on, get up out of here. Unravel. There we go. Come on. There. Man, this is nice. I've never seen nothing this top This is some top shelf quality right here. That's a pretty, yeah, that's a pretty standard jack. Ooh, that's nice. I don't know which one I want to pick. Wait a minute, did it say on the box that it had a second cable? Nope. That was for free. Okay. Got the little briefcase, hard shell case. Okay, let's look at the earbuds themselves. Ooh, these are nice. They're very lightweight too. Yeah, look how they feel. These are definitely metal. Yeah, these are really nice. Oh man. Okay, let me put all this stuff to the side. Let's focus on these right quick. Okay, so we got the medium silicone on here. So I'm gonna take these off and look at the mesh filter. Ooh, that's nice. So yeah, that little brush right here, if ever they get all gunked up with earwax and oil from your ears, all you gotta do is just, you know, brush that off. That's what that's for. Okay, this is a perfect opportunity to pull out these spin fits. These are the CP500s. I've been waiting on these to come back in stock on Amazon for months. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up right quick. These are medium size, so they'll definitely fit on here. And that nozzle's pretty big. It's a pretty substantial looking nozzle on there. All right, let me just see how you peel this. Okay, here we go. Yeah, go in from the side. Open that up. There. Easy peasy. All right. Oh, this is the old style. Okay. That's why it took so long for them to come back on stock. Okay, let me look at these. Okay, these are kind of cone shaped. These look like the ones that are stock on the Blonde BL03s. Those silicone tips are kind of cone shaped and they fit on there. Okay. Perfectly. Woo-wee. Look at that. Okay, give me another one. Let me use this little brush to get this up out of here. There we go. And put this on just like that. Turn it to the side and push it on there. There, perfect. All right, so these got branding on them so that you can tell which is which, because they're nearly identical. So you got the right and the left. I'm gonna go ahead and use the silver cable. I wanna see how these look. I'm gonna put that to the side. All right, now, as far as I can tell, I couldn't see any branding on whether these, okay. Wait, nope, I'm lying. Okay, so the things that go around your ear, ooh, these are bendable. Oh my God, this is a nice cable. Ooh, this is a nice cable. Okay, this is the left, so I'm gonna put that, okay. It's gonna fit on there like that. Yep, get the logo facing outwards and just bend that like that. Oh, that's nice. And do the same thing to this one. Ooh-wee, look at that. Okay, now, let's see how they fit in the ears. Because I ain't never tried this brand out before. Oh, wow, these fit perfectly. And since this thing that go around your ears, oh man. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it. There we go. So I can, all right, having a little woes at first, but there we go. There. I'm gonna pull it on, pulling the cable a little bit. so it'll wrap around my ears. Oh, that's nice. Oh man. All right, let me get out my Pixel 4a Pixel game. I'll plug this in here. Ooh-wee. That's what I'm talking about. Let me open up Spotify right quick. Let's see. Go to my playlist. All right. Let's see how these sound. They fit good. I like the way they fit. I'm so far. Got some good bass. Ooh, that bass. Ooh, turn it all the way up. Turn it all the way up. It's all the way up. Ooh, man. Ooh, that bass. Oh, yeah. Ooh, wee. Ooh, I can't wait to review these. These are nice. Woo! So this has been the BASN Metalen inner monitors unboxing, first impressions. Whew, man, I'm over here sweating bacon bits. That sound. Whew. Leave a like, comment, share this video. Thank you for watching. Wait.